Pinpoint Weather 12 now. We're bringing meteorologist Pete Mangione. We're going to have the latest on Hurricane Delta. And here at home, if you're looking at the temperatures this new time, we're fairly chilly compared to what we're going to see tomorrow at this time, right?
Yeah, no doubt, Danielle. Kind of a cool afternoon out there. We don't have the annoyance of those breezes right now, but tomorrow, it's your kind of weather, Danielle. Tomorrow into the 70s.
Yeah, almost like a little bit of beach weather. Maybe not to swim in, but to hang out, maybe.
If you want to, be my guest, right? Yeah, we're looking pretty good into the first half of the weekend, and then it does cool off a little bit for the second half of the weekend. Here is the latest on Hurricane Delta. Now, this has weakened a little bit, however, still a very powerful storm. Now, the hope is that it may weaken a little bit more before making landfall later on this afternoon or this evening, so it may end up making landfall in Louisiana as a Category 2. Either way, still a life-threatening storm with big-time storm surge. Then, watch what happens. This will zip up to the north. It will no longer be a hurricane or a tropical storm, and we will be tracking the remnants combined with the front, which will move through on Monday and Tuesday. That may help out our rainfall situation just a little bit. Obviously, we're not going to make up this entire drought because since January 1st, we're over 10 inches below normal. That's why almost all of the area in extreme drought right now, with the exception of Block Island. Live camera in Newport, beautiful this afternoon, although as Danielle mentioned, a little bit on the cool side. Notice our numbers are still running in the 50s in Smithfield, 56 in Providence, 57 in Taunton. Newport, you're a little milder at 63. We're 58 in Westerly, 55 on Block Island. Winds nowhere near the annoying gust that we had yesterday, so we'll take it. 8 miles an hour from the north in Providence, 7 in Smithfield, and 10 in Newport. So the center of low pressure, which was nearby yesterday, really creating those gusty winds, that's further away today. So that's why those winds are kind of relaxing their grip today. So these high temperatures will feel decently comfortable by the afternoon, around 62 in Narragansett, 62 Hope Valley, Charlestown around 64. In northern Rhode Island, temperatures running in the low to mid 60s today, 62 Woonsocket, 64 Johnston, West Warwick around 64. And in eastern Massachusetts, breezes out of the southwest at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Dartmouth gets up to around 62, Westport 62. And this evening, now notice what's going to happen here. Last night through this morning, these temperatures really started to free fall. Not really the case tonight. So when it starts to drop into the low 50s, maybe a few spots outside of Providence to the upper 40s, and then those temperatures start to recover tomorrow morning, and that will set up that very warm Saturday. Speaking of Saturday, a couple of points here. Point number one, I do expect it to be dry across our area and quite mild, but if you have plans to maybe check out the foliage in central northern New England, especially Vermont, New Hampshire, western Massachusetts, there is a risk of some severe weather. A severe thunderstorm or two is possible, and even if we don't get that, some showers and thunderstorms are also possible. So there's something to be mindful of if you're headed up to the north or northern or western New England tomorrow afternoon. Now let's go to Sunday night. So Sunday time should be dry. Sunday daytime, if that makes sense, should be dry. But by Sunday night, here come the remnants of Delta right there. Here comes the front. That combination creates the showers on Monday and Tuesday. The timing and amounts are still uncertain. However, we could use some, so we'll keep tracking that. And for your weather anytime, you can always go to WPRI.com for that. Now, out of the curiosity of watching the game on Monday, obviously no fans, but there will be some showers there for Monday for the Patriots-Bronco game, so that one has been moved there.
All right, so it might be a rainy one for those Pats. All right.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Pete. Checking some other news.